Are you looking to get a pool remodel in your backyard? Here at Ace Pool Repair and Replaster, we're committed to guiding you through the entire process to make sure that your vision for the perfect pool becomes a reality. The way we get started is just like any other project. We first have to come out and evaluate your pool. We're going to ask you specifics on what you'd like done with the pool so we can tailor a quote just for you. Once we're in agreement on everything you'd like to get done, the next step is going to be the demolition. So here we're at a pool after the demolition. This is what the pool looks like once we strip off the plaster on the top. This is the shell of the pool, the bare bones essentially. And as you can see, the tile was kept in this situation. Sometimes if tile's in really good condition like these ones, we can keep them and clean them up. In most other cases, we're going to replace the tile to really revamp the pool, make it look new again. While we're here, we're going to take a look around at the shell to make sure there's nothing we need to repair before moving forward, like perhaps a crack, or in this case, this pool has rebar showing. We're going to make sure that we fix this before we move on with the rest of the project. So here we are at a recently completed project where we also installed the coping. This type of coping is called pour in place, and it is one of our most popular types of coping that we install. A lot of our clients like it because they can add color to it. It's very sleek, very modern, it's cost effective. And as you can see, we're able to match the rounded edges of the pool very nicely. Once we're finished with this part of the project, we can then move on to the next part, which is typically tile installation. Typically, the next phase of the operation for a pool remodel is installing new tiles. These tiles, for instance, were falling apart, they were discolored, they were ready to go. In most cases, pool remodels need new tile. Here at Ace, we give a lot of options for new tiles. We can work with you on some types and styles that will meet your preference for what will look best in your pool. After all that's finished, the last step, the final phase of the project, is getting plaster in your pool. Before it can look awesome like this one, we're going to be showing up with a big truck and starting to add the plaster that you chose into your pool. All right, we just showed you the entire process, and you get to see how each component looks of what it takes to get a pool remodeled. The next step is the easiest. You just have to reach out to us so we can get you scheduled for your free estimate. Contact us today and see how Ace can transform your pool.